Hey, I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I am making lemon chicken that is quick and easy for weeknight dinners. Here are my ingredients: mirin, cornstarch, chicken broth, soy sauce, flour, green onions, lemon, ginger, garlic, sugar, honey, salt, oil. And for today's recipe, I am using a skinless, boneless chicken thighs that I will be cutting into 1-inch cubes. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by preparing our chicken thighs by trimming off the fat and cutting the thighs into 1-inch cubes. After preparing our chicken, we want to season our chicken with Mirin seasoning and soy sauce. Go ahead and give this a good mix. And if you can marinate this overnight or at least an hour before cooking it, it tastes a lot better. Next, we're going to prepare our batter. Pour your flour, your cornstarch. Go ahead and give this a good mix. Now add your water. And we are making a loose batter for the chicken. This is how our batter is looking afterward, and this is perfect. This is exactly what we're looking for. In a wok over medium-high heat, add your oil, and we're going to put enough oil in here to fry the chicken. And as you can see, I have a little station over here with my batter and our chicken. Now take your chicken, and we're going to dip it into this batter. Now take your chicken and place it in here. And when frying these, try not to overcrowd them. And we are going to fry them until they are nice and golden, so about 7 to 10 minutes. After 8 minutes, this is how they're looking. So we're going to continue this process with the rest of the chicken. Go ahead and go in and remove these chicken and set them aside. After frying the chicken, this is how they're looking, and they look amazing. Heat your oil over medium heat. Add your garlic and ginger. Cook these for about 30 seconds. Add your chicken stock, soy sauce, and your lemon juice. Add your sugar and your honey. And go ahead and give this a good mix. While this is simmering, let's work on our cornstarch. I added water to the cornstarch, so I'm just going to make a slur with this to make the sauce thicker. After mixing your cornstarch, go ahead and set it aside. And chop your green onions in the sauce. After chopping the green onions in here, go ahead and add your salt to taste. Give it a good mix. After adding your salt, go ahead and let this simmer for about 2 minutes. After simmering your sauce for 2 minutes, go in with your cornstarch. And guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Now go in with your chicken. And give it a toss. Hey guys, as you can see, my lemon chicken is ready and it looks amazing. And I want to say thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.